This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So guys, I'm excited to review this because our comforter, excuse me, is getting older, and this feels so soft and so cool to the touch. So this is how it looks laid out. It's got like that silky shine to it. It's super cool on the top, and then underneath it, it's also super cool. It's definitely made of nice material. Of course, it has wrinkles. For those who, picky about that, you guys can get the wrinkles out. But it does have a little bit of a smell, so I do recommend laying it out. Maybe start in the morning, lay it out all day. Give it a wash the first time. But overall, this is very nice. Oh, wow. That is cool to the touch. That really, really is. Like, sorry, guys. Oh, my word. It's super soft and super cool. And yes, that's the best way I can describe it as a guy. It really is. I think my wife is going to love this. We can actually throw away our old one. So I'm happy with this. Now, if you don't mind, I'm taking a nap. See you guys on the next review.